Stupid TV remote is not working again.
Stupid Metro PCS phone.
Seriously? It's still frozen. Guys, your microwave's not working again.
TV remote won't work, microwave won't cook your food, phone has no signal. I got what you need.
What's that?
Microwaves!
Microwaves? I have one of those in my kitchen.
And it doesn't work very well either.
Oh, silly gooses, I mean microwaves, not microwaves.
What's that?
Well, kids, let me teach you the ways of a microwave. You see, microwaves have many purposes. They can transmit information to satellites, therefore both your cell phone and satellite TV depend on it. They're a type of electromagnetic wave with a wavelength that ranges from about 0.001 to 0.3 meters. Microwaves are used in radar, communications, and for heating.
Can we see it?
Yeah, I'm a visual learner.
I don't get it. That's an empty jar. There's nothing in there.
Oh, but there is. There's millions of microwaves as we speak flowing in and out of this jar.
All right then, fix my phone.
I will, Vanessa.
Hey guys, what's up?
Nothing. Signing up my phone.
Microwaves? You mean like those things James Clerk Maxwell discovered in 1864?
Exactly! And you can get your own microwave for just an easy payment of $999 a month.
Consummate turk minerals into cancerous agents, foods from microwave may cause tumors in the stomach and intestine. This may be an explanation for the increased rate of colon cancer in America. Regular eating microwave use may cause an increase in cancer cells in the human blood. Radiation dangers involved in microwave use may cause decreased immune system and functions in humans. There's even a mental danger from eating foods from a microwave. Regularly doing so may cause memory loss, emotional problems, and a decrease in intelligence. The study that microwave foods may cause your body to shut down its hormones production. Enjoy your microwaves.
Six times, damn, all right.